Hey everyone, the Manhattan real estate market continues to be very strong, and I still don't have a ton of good news for buyers, particularly those at the higher end of the market. If we jump right into the numbers, you'll see we saw a 66% increase in contract activity compared to the 2017 to 2019 average. That was actually the fastest growth rate of the year, but the real story is how that breaks down by price point. So you'll see the three lower buckets were up about 50%, but the high end, the $2 to $5 million bucket, doubled compared to the 2017 to 2019 average. So very, very strong demand at the higher end of the market. Here's what I was referring to earlier. We're at the strongest growth rate of the year compared to that average. It's going to be interesting to see how things go forward because we're going to be up against much tougher comps, and we also have less inventory to sell. So just keep those in the back of your mind as you're looking at numbers going forward. On the inventory, there were really no surprises at all. We saw a decline compared to the end of November's levels of 15%, which is exactly what we expected to see. There is light at the end of the tunnel. We're going to see inventory. It might go up a little bit in January, it might stabilize, but certainly in February, March, April, we're going to see more listings come on the market, and inventory levels are going to continue to build. But looking at the high end of the market, again, one half of the equation is the demand, the other side is the supply. So here's the overall inventory, went down just like we expected. But you can see at the high end of the market, inventory is at multi-year lows, and basically the higher up you go in price point, the less the inventory, less inventory that's available. So we have both lots of demand and less supply at the higher end. So needless to say, pricing is going up. The higher end, as we said, is the strongest in terms of pricing, downtown in particular. But what you really need to do, and this applies for any market, is you need to look at contract activity compared to available inventory. So if you contact us at info@yoreevo.com, we can slice these numbers up in any way we want, so we can look at exactly what you're looking at. If you're looking for 2-bedroom condos in Tribeca, we can zero in on that, and that's going to be your best indicator for what pricing is going to do going forward. Remember, the pricing data is always backwards looking, so you don't want to look at that. You want to look at what you can observe today, and that's inventory and contracts being signed. So again, you can reach out to us at info@yoreevo.com. We're happy to slice this data any way we want. We're happy to help with your search. We're happy to get you a commission rebate. And remember to subscribe, and you'll get this a little bit before it goes out to the email list. And thanks a lot, and we'll see you next month. Bye.